Namaste everyone, this is Dr. Pratibha K.S. Head, Department of Biotechnology at KLE Society S. Nijlingappa College, Rajayanagar, Bengaluru. Today I'm before you to present first semester theory and practicals of cell biology, genetics and biochemistry from BSc Biotechnology first year. Okay. Before I begin today's presentation, I would like to share with this thought. Complaining mind will never be peaceful, only grateful mind will be peaceful. Stop complaining, explore what you have. The grateful heart is always peaceful. Complaining mind never be peaceful. Instead of complaining continuously on everything, pause yourself, be grateful whatever you have received from the universe. If you keep complaining, you never be peaceful, or we never be peaceful, or I never be peaceful, right? Be grateful for everything in life to keep you happy. The proof of right living is in the happiness it manifests. Complaining everything in life will not give you happiness. Being grateful for everything will give you happiness. KSP. KSP means not Karnataka State Police, it's KS Pratibha. Now let us go through syllabus for BSc Biotechnology of Bangalore City University. Okay, you're studying under choice-based credit system semester scheme, that is 2020 and 21. Okay, here you can see the scheme of instructions and credits of BSc CBCS semester scheme Biotechnology. Paper code, that is BTP101. Okay, that is paper code of this title. Biotechnology first, cell biology, genetics and biochemistry. Okay, actually you'll get two numbers here, BTT, that is biotechnology theory, another one is BTP, biotechnology practical. Okay, the title of the paper is this one, and type of paper is here theory and practical you are going to write. Then hours per week will be theory, you need to study per week 4, and per week 1 practical you are going to study in 1 practical 3 hours. Okay, duration of examination, that is 3 hours for theory and 3 hours for practical. IA marks in theory you are going to get IA marks, that is 30 from your respective teachers, okay, respected teachers. Then in practical you have 15 interassessment marks. Okay, so total here theory examination marks, here theory paper you are going to write for 70 marks, and practical you are going to write for 35 marks. Okay, total marks 30 plus 70, it's 100, and here 35 plus 15, it's 50. Okay, so total it comes to 150 total. Okay, so this biotechnology first, cell biology, genetics and biochemistry are going to write for 150 marks. Credits for this particular theory 4 credits, and for practical 2 credits. Totally you are going to get 6 credits. Now let us go to the syllabus, BSc Biotechnology CBCS syllabus 2020 and 21. Why I'm stressing too much here, this year we have introduced this particular syllabus as revised. For that reason, you need to focus again and again. BSc first semester Biotechnology paper 1, cell biology, genetics and biochemistry. When you are entering into the second semester, you'll be studying biotechnology paper 2, microbiology. Third semester biotechnology paper 3, molecular biology. A fourth semester biotechnology paper 4, genetic engineering. Fifth semester biotechnology paper 5, environment, biotechnology and immunotechnology. Biotechnology paper 6, plant and animal biotechnology. BSc 6th semester biotechnology paper 7, that is industrial biotechnology, and biotechnology paper 8, bioinformatics, bioentrepreneurs and research. Okay, you must keep in your mind here only first year and second year you are going to study languages and English. Okay, whereas here you will not study any language and English during your third year. Now let us go through BSc Biotechnology paper 1 theory units, that is comes under cell biology, genetics and biochemistry. Theory here total hours 60 hours. Okay, unit 1 introduction. Under this you are going to study introduction, scope and applications of biotechnology. Hope most of the students already written assignments on this, right? And this unit we need to cover within 4 hours. Then 1.2, Mendel's laws of heredity, interaction of genes, supplementary genes, comb pattern in falls, complementary genes, flower color in sweet peas. Example, Epistasis, plumage color in poultry, and multiple allelism. You are going to study example, that is blood groups in human being. Okay, for this unit, there is 8 hours. Within 8 hours, we must complete this particular units. Mutations, under this, you'll focus only on spontaneous and induced. Other than that, mutagens like physical mutagens and chemical mutagens. Okay, for this unit, they have given 3 hours. Then coming to unit 2, cell, that is unit of life. 2.1, general introduction and ultrastructure of plant cell and animal cell. 2.2, structure and functions of cell wall and plasma membrane. Here you are going to study only ultrastructure of fluid mosaic model and functions of passive transport and active transport. Okay, for this 5 hours. For this, to study plant cell animal ultrastructure for 2 hours. 2.4, structure and functions of nucleus, mitochondria, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum, and ribosomes. And this will be for 3 hours. Then chromosomes, structure of metaphase, chromosome, types based on position of centromere and ultrastructure, that is nucleosome model. Then 2.6, cell cycle, mitosis, meiosis, and apoptosis. So this here, within 3 hours, we need to complete this particular unit. Next, biomolecules. Under this, you are going to study carbohydrates, structure, properties, classification, and biological importance for 4 hours. Under lipids, only the structure, properties, and biological role for 3 hours. Proteins, amino acids, names, symbols, then 3 and single letter code, general structure and properties. Okay. Then under proteins, classification of proteins with examples, structure, primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary structures. At the end, you'll be studying biological importance of proteins. This unit carries 6 hours. Then vitamins, water soluble and lipid soluble vitamins and their dietary sources. And you'll be studying for 2 hours. Unit 4, enzymes and hormones. Enzymes, introduction, chemical nature, nomenclature, and classification with examples. And this unit you need to cover within 3 hours. Then mechanism of action, enzyme action, active sites, enzyme substrate complex, formation, and lock and key model, and induced fit theory. Then factors influencing enzyme activity, substrate concentration, temperature, pH, inhibitors and activators, then enzyme inhibition. Under this, you need to study competitive and non-competitive inhibition. So 3 hours. Enzyme kinetics, Michaelis and Menten equation for 1 hour. Then cofactors and coenzymes for 1 hour. Hormones, general introduction, protein hormones, that is insulin and growth hormone. Steroid hormones, glucocorticoids, androgens, estrogens, and progesterone. And the basic functions, then at the end, you'll be studying mechanism of action of steroid hormones. So this unit, you are going to study for 4 hours. Okay. Now let us go through practical experiments. Okay. So under the cell biology genetics and biochemistry, in first semester, 15 units of 3 hours each will be given. So experiment number 1, you need to study of simple and compound microscope and colorimeter. Okay, you must understand the construction and working principle of simple and compound microscope, and also the working principle of colorimeter. Okay, this here is 1 unit. 1 unit means you are going to study for 3 hours. Then within 3 hours, you need to understand all this concept. Okay. A study of mitosis, that is preparation of temporary squash from onion root tips. So to study the mitosis, we are using the source of sample, that is the onion root tips, 2 units. Then study of meiosis, preparation of temporary squash from onion flower buds for 2 units. Definition of molarity, normality, and calculations, 1 unit. Estimation of protein by biuret and FC methods, 2 units. Estimation of glucose by Somogis method, 2 units. Estimation of maltose by DNS method, 1 unit. Estimation of amino acid by Ninhydrin method, 1 unit. Estimation of salivary amylase activity, 2 units. The last one, 10th one, study and analysis of human karyotypes, normal and abnormal. Normal, male and female, and abnormal, you are going to study the Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, then Down syndrome, I think. Okay, I'll come to know here. It is given here. One second. Yeah, it's given. You're going to study the abnormal, Downs, Turners, and Klinefelters. Okay. Whatever the abnormal syndromes are given, only that you are going to study. So DTK, Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, only those you are going to study. I want all the students to kindly make a note of all these experiments and keep ready with you all this particular experimental list in your observation book. In observation book, in the first page or maybe a second page, I want you all to write this content of practical experiment. Okay, as and when we complete the experiments, you can just make a note of that particular experiment and you can go through. And if you have any doubts, you can text me. Okay, so in your observation book, I want you to write all these 10 experiments. Now let us go through here. Bangalore City University Practical and Theory Examination Scheme of BSc Biotechnology. Okay, you hope you know better. Our KLE Society is S. Nijlingappa College, which comes under Bangalore City University, and this is the logo of BCU. In short, we'll say BCU, that is Bangalore. Oh, they have mentioned not Bangalore, Bengaluru. Okay, fine, great. Bengaluru City University, BCU. Always we used to say, no, Bangalore like that. So our university, we need to pronounce that as Bengaluru City University. See the below the logo theme, Be Boundless. In Kannada, Aguni Aniketana. Wow. Okay, our syllabus comes under choice-based credit system. Okay, now let us go through the scheme of evaluation. Before going to the scheme of evaluation, I want you to go through this particular thought. That is, thoughts are energy forces and manifest into reality. Let's think only those which positively influence our life. So let's think positively. Practical examination scheme, BSc first semester, biotechnology paper first, cell biology and biochemical technology. Okay, cell biology and biochemical technology. This is your practical paper heading. Here duration 3 hours and maximum marks 35. You will study all these 10 experiments, okay, in the laboratory, common laboratory. You are going to study all these 10 experiments, but on the examination day, during practical examination, you are going to perform all these questions. Okay, so to perform this practical examination, you will be given 3 hours time and maximum marks 35. Hope you know better, right? 35 marks is for practical and 15 marks will be from your internal assessments. So question number 1, prepare a temporary squash of given material, mitosis or meiosis, and report the stage, identify with diagram. Okay, once you perform this mitosis or meiosis experiment, and once you written the principle, procedure, and diagrammatic presentation or microscopic view of that mitosis meiosis stage, no, you need to show to the examiner that particular result, and you need to call the examiner and you should show your microscopic slide. Okay, here for this question number 1, performance 5 marks, identification and diagram whatever written in your answer paper, no, that carries 3 marks. You need to show to the examiner your microscopic prepared slide. Then question number 2, estimate the amount of protein or sugar in the given sample, okay, by biurate, RFC, or DNS method. Here there are 3 options, okay, any one you are going to get in the examination. And this question number 2 carries 12 marks. So how they'll divide this 12 marks? Here you can make good performance 7 marks. How you are going to perform everything that will be watched by external examiners. So how are you going to perform your experiment? They'll watch and they'll give you marks. So 7 marks. Then protocol table, right? That carries 2 marks. Graph and result preparation carries 3 marks. Okay, so that is total 12 marks. Then question number 3, principle and procedure writing of the ASEAF activity of salivary amylase. It means, hope you are able to make out here, they have mentioned principle and procedure writing. It means you are not going to perform, you are just writing the ASEAF activity of salivary amylase writing part, and this carries 6 marks. So here question number 3, principle 2 marks and procedure 4 marks. Here, fourth one, spotters. Okay, human karyotype. Under this, normal, abnormal, like Downs, Turner's, Klinefelter syndrome. Any one will be kept in the examination hall. We'll keep that photograph of the human karyotype, normal or maybe abnormal. You need to identify that spotter as so and so. The spotter identified as normal male, spotter identified as normal female, the spotter identified as Turner syndrome or Down syndrome or Klinefelter syndrome. For identification carries 1 mark, and points of relevance, or what are the points you'll write now, that carries 3 marks. And at the end, question number 5, that is class record, which carries 5 marks. Hope I made myself crystal clear to you. If I have still any doubts, you can text me. Okay, that's not an issue. My number 9844668111. So this is about the practical first semester scheme. Now let us go through theory examination scheme, that is BSc first semester to sixth semester scheme is there. But here we can go through this particular, or the same scheme will be maintained for from first semester to sixth semester. Duration of examination 3 hours, maximum marks 70. Here theory 70 marks means other 30 marks will be even internal. Okay. Question paper pattern, section A, short notes. Okay, you will be asked 5 questions. You need to answer all the 5 questions in the section A. Each question carries 2 marks, so 10 marks. In section B, short answers you need to give 4 out of 5. Okay, each 4 questions carries 5 marks, so total 20 marks. 5 will be given, 1 option will be there, so 4 you need to answer, so total 20 marks. Section C, essay type answer you need to give here 3 out of 5. 5 questions will be asked, in that any 3 you need to answer, and each answer carries 10 marks, so total 30 marks. And at the end, section D will be there. Here you need to answer the answer for that question in 1 word or a sentence. So 10 question will be asked, each question carries 1 mark, so this is 10 marks. So total you'll get here total 70 marks. No objectives. In section D, one should not give any objective type or fill in the blanks questions. Okay. So theory paper carries total 70 marks. Then now coming to internal assessment. I told you in the beginning, in theory, you have 30 internal assessment marks, practical 15 marks. So this 30 marks and 15 marks will tell about the internal quality of the students. Based on your internal quality of the academic excellence, you are going to get this particular marks. So test 10 marks, assignments, seminars, a training project, add-on course that carries 15 marks. Then attendance 5 marks. So total 30 marks. Then practical 15 marks will be there, right? So test, in practical also will conduct test, how we are going to perform like that. So test carries 10 marks and then attendance carries 5 marks. Okay, kindly go through this note. To improve quality of education and to provide hands-on practical knowledge to individual students in a practical class, 10 to 12 students, that is maximum 12 students per batch per teacher to be allotted. Okay, this will all take care of that one, and will allot specifically 10 to 12 students, and 1 mentor will be kept in the practical class. Okay, and that 1 mentor will look after 12 students. It means whatever we have batches now of 25 students, those 25 students will be made into 2 batches, and 2 laboratory in charge teacher will be there, and those will be given assigned with the half of students, and they'll look after your queries or any kind of difficulties, or if you have any kind of issues, no, they'll solve that one. Okay. And here you can see references. Okay, reference books you can see here, cell biology, you can go through all these things. You will get in online also. Please, you can refer all this, and you can write in Google molecular biology of cell, Bruce Alberts et al. If you give, no, you'll get soft copy, or if you want, you can purchase, you can visit Amazon, or you can visit Sapna Book House. Okay, so this is genetics. If I'm going very quickly, you're unable to follow, you can take screenshot, or you can pause video, you can go through this particular video. And here you can see some of the list of the books related with genetics. So you are in this semester you are studying cell biology, genetics, and biochemistry. But in general, I mentioned all the books you can make out. So these here you can see some of the list of books related with the microbiology, and here you have some of the books related with biochemistry, and here you can see some of the books related with biophysics. Hope you understood today's this presentation. When you focus problem, you lose the good. When you focus on goal, you lose your problem. Think about this. I, Dr. Pratibha K, signing off for today. Stay tuned with me, stay connected with me, and stay safe. Thank you for watching.